Welcome back to Pfister Farms, everybody. Today, we're kind of preparing late for a little bit of a snowstorm we got going on. They're saying 6 to about 8 inches today, basically just during the day, so we're going to try to get a couple things done. We got to bed this shed right here. We have a couple bales. We got to spread this bale out in here. I already did one. I got to finish spreading it out and then bust this one open. Oh, there's me and my reflection in the camera. But we did have little buddy. He should be over here somewhere. Right there. There's little buddy. There's little buddy right there, number 101. There's big black cow. So, just gonna kind of run you guys through what I'm gonna work on today before we get this, or kind of during this snowstorm. Hope I can get it done and then film plowing in this video too, hopefully. He looks weird. That's his mother. 901 is his mom. Nice little bull calf though. Not too bad. Not too bad. Pretty mint. Pretty nice. But we gotta get some work done here. It did a little bit of that right there before it snowed, so that's always fun. We got freezing rain before, and this is supposed to be wet, heavy snow. It's already accumulating in the ground, so we're gonna couple these bales spread. I've got a camera that I can't mount on here because it ain't gonna work, but we're gonna get these bales spread out and bed this shed. I actually gotta walk down here real quick and I'll spread this out, but I want these cows to have a warm place to sleep. And right now I'm gonna shoot in a screenshot of our weather for the next week. Now, if you look at the screenshot, you saw that it's supposed to get really cold. And hopefully I can get this video uploaded really soon. Hopefully today or tomorrow. Hopefully today. But it's supposed to get really cold. And it's supposed to snow quite a bit. It doesn't say the totals on there, but it's supposed to snow. So, enjoy what video we can get you. So, in here, just kind of do this, screw the bale out a little bit. The cattle are gonna run over it and get it, spread it out a little bit more. Like this clump right here, they'll probably mess with it and they would have knocked it over like that. But since it's gonna get so cold, I scrape the cow yard up. I got the 7110 warming up there. I started it and then cleaned this, so it should be just about ready to go. And then we can haul this, put gates back, and then that's about it, and then wait for it to snow. So, see you guys in the 7110, I guess. Okay, we got everything down here. 7110's backed in, and we're gonna hop in the skid steer and get to work now. Cool thing is you can run the skid steer with one hand. You might not be able to hear me, but I can run it. So enjoy some of me loading the spreader. spreader's full. And I really want to try this trick. Well, we're gonna try it. Ready? You know how handy that trick is? It's just so handy. I just can't believe it. Wow, just astonished. But now we're gonna spread this load, and as you can see, if we, well, you guys can't really see. You guys can see the snow a little bit. It's still snowing. I just heard on the radio they're calling for 6 to 8 inches of the wetter, heavier stuff. We are in a winter storm warning, and you guys can probably see it falling back there. Probably, oh, you guys can't, but it is. So we're gonna keep unloading this manure here. Then we gotta put gates back, and then we're just gonna let it snow for a little while. And we gotta clean the door on the skid steer. I'm sorry it was dirty. I don't want to get out and clean it right then, but I will clean it for the next time I use it. Next time we'll be plowing too. But you can really spread manure in this much snow all day long pretty easily. Once you get over like a foot, it's probably not worth it anymore. Right now it's kind of the limit. I wanted to get that cleaned out because it was going to get really cold and it was all going to freeze down really hard. Really wasn't froze down very hard, so pretty sure I made the right choice on that one. And I think the windshield wiper actually works in this tractor. Now look at that, it works a little bit. Scrapes the ice off. Turn it back off again. Now I'll put it back in its spot over there. That's better. And now we can see. Now that we can see, we can look at things, which there's some snow up there, and that's just from sitting when I was loading it. Spreader's getting lighter. That spreader was pretty heavy. The tractor struggled a little bit to get it over the hill, but the old Magnum got her done. And while you're watching this video, go check out Turner Farms. We need to get him to 1,000 subs, and I like to get my channel to our goal at the moment. If you're watching this years later, probably way past it, but 500 would be awesome. And, well, see you guys in the next clip. I don't know where we're going to be. We're probably going to be putting gates back. Okay, we got all the gates put back on this side. We're going to let the ladies back into their side of the shed here. They're going to be rowdy because they got brand new corn stalks in there. I'll persuade them that way. So then they go in there. And we gotta check. She's next to calf, and there's a couple ones that are getting close. She's got a pretty good bag on her, as you can see. She's getting close. I'd like her to calve today instead of in the really cold weather, in the negatives. I don't like calving in the negatives. Like today wouldn't be too bad with this storm. Depends on which one that one is. That one already had a calf. They're really a couple of them are quite skittish. This is the bull. He's really getting after her today. I think we're all looking pretty good here. She's looking good. She's a little bit of a bag. She's saggy and got a bag. And 602, nickname Minnie, is out here too with these girls. She's at the end, and I'm pretty sure they've made it in the shed by now. I'll take you guys in there, because these cattle do jump around still when they're this big inside that shed to move around that bedding. There's one. There's another one. And they all look happy. So I guess the last thing to do, oh yep, there's little guy. Feel bad for keeping him outside for so long, but he's running around again. He's happy. Everybody else is just jumping around in here. He's being mean like always. And you have a half of an ear. Once your ear tag got ripped out. Which, as you can see, they got good bedding. And, well, pretty sure we're just gonna put you on a time lapse of some snow falling. Gotta find a place to do it because the camera's almost dead. So I'm trying to make a more highly edited video than I usually do. Hopefully it's working better than I think it is. I don't know if it's gonna be that great, but no, I thought, what the heck, we'll try it once. We'll try a really highly edited video that I take a bunch of time out on. So we're gonna keep working here and, well, enjoy the rest of your guys' video. Well, it's hard to tell if it's still snowing, but I think it is. It's quite windy. I think we got a good 6 inches of accumulation, I would say. A good 4 to 6 inches there. But it is really blowing too, as you can see, and it's still coming down pretty good. We're gonna get the skid steer out of here and we're gonna start plowing, which he's shoveling a little bit, having fun, and we're gonna plow the rest and do chores because it's almost 4 o'clock. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of a time lapse. It's kind of weird because the camera kept turning off, so I had to do that. So I'll get the skid loader warmed up, and in the next clip we're gonna be plowing, and they're running down the field. They look like they're having fun. So see you guys in a few. Well, it might be a little windy and you can't hear me, but I'll try. I'm shielding it with my coat at the moment. Actually, just walk backwards. So it's still snowing, I think, or it's just blowing around, one of them two. And, well, if you made it this part of the video, I'm pretty sure it's still snowing. You can see it in the light. Now you guys can see it, but if you made it this part of the video, thank you for watching. You stuck around, and basically, hopefully this storm's done with. Don't know yet. Hope you guys enjoy the plowing clips. The camera would freeze up. The GoPro would outside, so it didn't work out very well. Then the SD card popped out and it deleted everything. So this is gonna end for you. Remember to hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button down there. Check out the Gleaner Harvest series, and I'm going inside. Thank you for watching.